Hello trader, hope that you had an enjoyable day. Looking at XAUUSD after yesterday's huge move that we can see today in early, there was multiple manipulation here on the lower time frame, and then the market has managed to break to the upside again. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity we have today in this instrument. Looking at bigger picture again to see overall direction in this market. Looking at monthly chart on gold, we can see that this current monthly price so far, from this monthly low and high, if we look at, we see the market was ranging in between this support and resistance. Currently the market above this monthly resistance, and this is the previous monthly opening and closing, and from that zone we saw that XAUUSD had a sharp bounce. And with that bounce, what we can see, the market may continue to rise as it is a long term bull market. If we look at the weekly chart here, we can see that from the weekly previous weekly candle there was a breakup structure here, and with this breakup structure, if we look at from here, there was a complete bounce back to the upside followed by series of lower high in that area. And we can see that here there is a bearish weekly drop past week, and with the drop the market from this support level, there was a complete bounce back to the upside with a stronger momentum. Now this is current weekly price action that we can see the price has just crossed this important resistance line, and we could see the market may continue to push back to the upside to create a new higher high. If we look at the daily chart here, we can see that from the daily, the market after this inverted head and shoulder from this daily time frame, there was a complete breakout with this stronger impulse. Previous daily candle was a rejection with a pullback, and we can see that with this impulse pullback the market is potentially creating another daily impulse here. And as you can see, this is the previous daily high. The market created a higher low here after previous daily manipulation. Here we can see the market is currently moving back to the upside, potentially to the resistance line to create a new higher high. Now looking at the intraday chart on the 4 hour, we can see the market was in a strong bullish trend followed by breakup structure here. We saw that back to back 3 sessions strong drop has broken from this level and tested this important previous support here as a support and penetrated below, followed by a doji, and then the market again returned back to the upside. Because the market has broken here, grabbed the liquidity from this 20 EMA, as well as in this uptrend we saw this breakup structure, can expect XAUUSD potentially to continue to trend back to the upside. And what I think, the market may potentially to create a new higher high here. So if you look at the lower time frame, 15-minute chart for potential entry, here you can see the market also here in the locally, during the Asian session there was a big drop here, which is a pure manipulation, and the market grabbed that liquidity with this manipulation and straight has got bounced back to the upside with this impulse. Currently what we see, there is another breakup structure here on the lower time frame. This is the 15-minute chart. There is a breakup structure expecting for the market again trend back up to create a new higher high in this market. So this is where we'll be waiting for potential entry. As soon as we will find suitable entry for this move back to the upside, we will be looking for going long with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoy this education and analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.